everyone, it's Mommy and Mia from Surprise and Toy Fun.
Today we have a Squinkies special. Mia picked all of these toys out and arranged all the toys for the video. So we have 2 Squinky Dewdrops surprise packs to open and lots of surprise eggs with Squinkies and Squinky accessories in them. Go ahead, Mia. Okay, first we have this little mouse, maybe. Next we have, this little cat. That's a really cute one. And then we have a Cinderella castle. For now, let's put the cat on the Cinderella castle. And we have a pink puppy. Very cute. And a hat. This
Fiesta Dew.
Yeah, Fiesta Dew. Once we get a dewdrop, we can put the hat on, but we don't have a dewdrop yet. And here's another hat. This is Top Dew. And another dew. It's Wavy Dew. Is this Wavy Dew, Mia?
Yep. No.
What's this one?
I forget.
And then a bed for a Squinky to go on. How about we'll have the dog sleeping on the bed? And then I think this is Tiny Tina.
Teeny tiny. Tina tiny.
Okay. And how about she wears the orange dew?
Wait. I need some.
Actually, she already has hair.
Yeah.
How about she wears a hat?
Yeah.
Maybe she can wear Fiesta Dew. Okay, and then we have Iggy Igloo. Iggy, let's put some hair on Iggy. That looks cute. And this is a German Shepherd puppy. And Hello Kitty. Yellow Hello Kitty. And then we have a wave and a surfboard. We could have Hello Kitty surfing the waves. And this is a chair. Who should we have sitting in the chair, Mia?
I think the German Shepherd.
Okay. And we have some orange trees, a grove. What else do we have? A chair. Looks like a chair for the salon. A tricycle. A scooter. And a baby. Huh. We have a, what would you, oh, is this a high chair maybe?
Yeah, like a high chair.
So the baby can go in that. It's cute. And a boat. And a hippo, and this is a dewdrop. So let's put the hat on the hippo. That's really cute. And this one is the watering can. I don't remember the name for this one.
Yeah, I don't either. I remember this one's Hollywood Dew.
Hollywood Dew. That's what it is. Okay, this is a stage. Which one did you drop? Okay. And then a monkey. Let's put the monkey on the stage. Sometimes monkeys perform.
Yep.
And another puppy. Oh, I was thinking these were the same, but they're not.
Yeah, they're just like different colors in it. One does not have like long fur like that, and it doesn't have a bow.
And a bow, yeah. And then we have Granny Dew. Let's put the watering can in. Whoa, doesn't fit too good. Let's put the watering can with the orange trees. And we also, where should we put this little mouse, baby?
Bicycle.
On the bicycle? Okay. Oops. Can you set up here? This is a cute cat. The cat can ride in the boat. Okay. So we have Granny Doo and the dog. Where could the dog go?
Dog can go
On the scooter. Okay, so here's what we have so far. Now we have some Squinkies in the cupcake. You gotta put coins in there and get some of the what are they?
Like Squinkies.
Squinky balls out. We're gonna put the money in. Okay.
This is a pencil topper Squinky.
Yeah, this is like a Squinky, but it's like a pencil topper too. It has a bigger hole in the bottom.
Okay, let's go shopping again.
What do we get next? We got, wait, is this Wavy Doo? What do you think, Mia? Is this one Wavy Doo?
Yeah.
Okay. We just need to find another dewdrop for the Wavy Doo. Uh-oh, an empty. That's no good.
Well, at least you have a ball.
There, no good. Okay. Next we have, a cute little turtle. We have a cute little turtle, and this turtle has hair. Okay, now this is a sparkly capsule. And we got this little alien. Aw, it has a horn. And it has like these alien little ears. Did you get another one? Mia got a dinosaur. This is really cute too. This one is a dewdrop. It looks like a little puppy. Let's put Granny Doo on the little puppy. And we got this and this other turtle. It looks the same as this turtle, but they have different colors and different hair colors. Is that all for the Squinky machine? Alright. Let's organize the table a little. Okay, now we're going to open 2 mystery Squinky Dewdrop Villas. Let's see what we get inside. You want to take the wrapping off this one a while?
Okay.
Okay, let's see what we got. First we have this little girl. Looks like has a bouquet. Like she's gonna get married or something. Second, we have this little penguin. And I'm gonna look up the names next. And last, wow, this one's really neat.
It's like pigtails. They're like crazy pigtails. Like bunny pigtails.
Yeah, it's bunny ears. Alright, let's look for the names. I'll look for the names while Mia opens the second villa.
Okay, guys, we have this, like, mouse.
We have a mouse Squinky. Aw.
This one's a lot different than others. It's a mushroom.
A mushroom Squinky. Wow, yeah, very different. And
A sun hat.
a sun hat do. All right, we're going to get all the names for you. I like the texture on this one.
Yeah.
Okay, we got Fiona flowers. There's 2 of each girl in different colors, and I can't find the one with the yellow flowers, but I think that it's supposed to be a Fiona flowers. And she's wearing Sunday Dew on her head. Okay, next we have a mouse. Oops. The mouse is Squeaky Zeke. And we have a mushroom. The mushroom is Portobello with Coffee Dew. And we have a penguin, and the penguin is in the Arctic section, Arctic Island, and it's Waddleton. Alright, we got some awesome Squinkies today. Let's look at them in closer detail. Okay, here are the Squinkies we got today. We have some in the new Shopkins Season 8 houses or rooms, and some in the Barbie Beauty house. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe and share with your friends. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.